Hey guys, I am coming to you today from Conchas Chinas. I am in a villa called Villa Talisman. It is a little over 7,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths. The asking price is 2.4 million US. This place was built in 2016, and what you're gonna see is it's got beautiful marble floors all over. The wood here has been imported from from Peru. And the owners, when you come and take a look at some of this stuff, you're gonna see there's still plastic here. They never moved in. This place was built a few years ago, and the owners just are too busy to come. So if you guys are interested, hit me up with my DMs, send me a text message, or give me a phone call. Excited to show you guys this. Come take a look. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this is the primary entrance when you're coming into Conchas Chinas. You know this big tree? It's like one of the most famous trees, I think, in Conchas Chinas. And welcome to Villa Talisman. This house is on 3 levels, so we're going to come into the entrance. Off to the right now they have this set up as a dining room. Technically, this is a bedroom. Nice size closet here. So this could be like an in-law suite on the ground floor. I love when they do the wood inlay in the bath as well. I think that's really cute. Okay. Directly across, you have a really large half bath. So this house was built in 2016, and one of the things that you'll notice from the older style homes is just how big and grand everything is. In the living room, it's a double ceiling height. This is the actual dining room, right off the living room. And you have service quarters here, an entry to get into your kitchen. This is what I'm talking about. You can see here, they still have the plastic on portions of this kitchen. Off the kitchen, you have a great sized bodega. And this is the hookup for the washer and dryer. You've got complete ocean views right here. I mean, that is beautiful. Great sized deck. Completely covered patio. And this is kind of your circular entrance to get in your driveway. You can see you've got a nice fountain there. And this is all just the first floor. Next, we're gonna go up the stairs and I'll show you the second floor. So as you come up the second floor, you have a great little loft space hallway here. And this is the primary suite. Everything comes, all the furniture, everything that you see in the video is gonna be included in the sale. Off of your bedroom, you have a nice sized balcony. So quiet here. All you hear are the birds chirping and your water feature. Next, we'll go to the ensuite bath. Tub. Oh, nice jetted tub here looking out into the ocean. Double sink vanity. Nice size closet. So directly across the hall, you've got the other 2 guest bedrooms. I love how they have the ceilings in here with the wood. Got an extra little seating area. Another ensuite bath with a jetted tub. And give you a view. We've got that gorgeous tree. This is what you see in your balcony. It's sweet. I'm going to take you now to the 4th bedroom. Again, the super tall ceilings in here, guys. Feels so nice and grand. So this one has its own little balcony as well, and then you also have a little garden space off of this bedroom. Nice and private. And just like all the other bedrooms with your ensuite bath. And through the closet into your bathroom. Alrighty. Next, I'm going to take you guys upstairs to the rooftop, where you'll find a nice big pool, great seating area. So the stairs are made out of Cantera, and the rock design on the side is very common here in Vallarta. So you have this huge garden space, and the property line extends all the way underneath the white wall up there. You have a huge pool up here. Great sized deck, covered patio, outdoor kitchen. We've got a grill and a sink. Very easily you can throw like a wine fridge underneath there. And you're in Conchas Chinas. So you are in the mountains here. You hear the birds chirping. You have beautiful views of the ocean. Surrounded by palm trees, lush tropical landscaping.
So now that we've seen Villa Talisman, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll just do a little recap here. So it's $2.4 million is the asking price. It is a little over 7,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 complete baths here in Conchas Chinas. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and have a great day.